Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem many programmers face when working with the Pandas library. The problem in hand is that the Pandas documentation lacks examples on how to select columns of a specific data type, such as pl.List within a PL data frame. This can be a major roadblock when trying to efficiently manipulate data. Let's dive into the solution for this problem. To address this issue, we can use the select method along with the by_type function provided by Pandas. By using the code snippet df.select cs wy_type pl.List pl.List, we can successfully select all columns within the data frame that are of type pl.List containing pl.List elements. While this approach is effective for selecting lists of a specific data type, it's worth noting that there isn't a direct selector for all pl.List columns. Hopefully, in future updates, this functionality will be included for even greater flexibility. In summary, we've covered a handy solution for selecting columns of a specific data type, like pl.List, within a Pandas data frame. By using the by_type function in conjunction with the select method, we can streamline our data manipulation tasks. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any suggestions. Remember, programming is all about finding solutions and having fun along the way.